time to harvest the tomatillos. I have a lot of tomatillos that are ready to harvest. They are camouflaging in this plant. Here is more. Look at them. This plant is almost it's a little dead, but it's still producing some tomatillos. If you have a tomatillo plant, now is the time of harvest. I have a lot of them. They are camouflaging. Everywhere. They are falling also. Right there. Right there. This is how much I collect of these tomatillos. And also I'm gonna feed the chickens right now. So a little kale and some other weeds in the garden. Here are the chickens waiting for me to feed them. They love their veggies. They love to eat the weeds and also the veggies in the garden.